Good morning. Today I have one more project here with me. Actually, this project I make the second of my project. So I want to explain about these things. Actually, what is actually these things and what he will do. So I have this complete. You can see here this. Normally you will feel some look like a calculator or something else, but actually this is not the calculator. This is security system door opening. This is passport security system door opening controller. So I made this project in this normal the PCB, not the printed one. So I make the connection like this. So this is my connection, and actually I add here the keyboard and everything. So I will explain you what is the keyboard feature. From here, left side, top left, it is one number is starting, 2 3, then 4 5 6 7 8 9, 0, and then this is enter, and this is escape button. So I have also one column here, the bed now. So you can see from right side here A, B, C and D. So this is my keyboard, and I have one more key top side. This is the one of master reset. If you have something problem in your controller, like you cannot open your door, or it's hanging or something else because of temperature or humidity or something else, if your control is having some trouble, if your door is unable to open, and you can make the reset, so finally your door, you can open your door without cut the power. So this is the main things. So you can see here top side I have the power inlet here, and this is regulator 7805. I have bridge, so I make it AC or DC. You can insert here 12 volt AC or DC. So also the DC you can make it a non-polarity. You can put a plus and minus both side, because I have already here the bridge rectifier, and I have one relay here. This relay is 12 volt relay also. So this is the final output relay for the solenoid or the magnet system what you are going to use to lock your door. So I have one connector here. This is the dry contact NO pin for the relay. So also I have one more buzzer here. He will give you the some signing buzzer, so you can see what the status is going on, even though you will see in the screen what is the actual start. So now I am going to supply the power to this board, so we can see what is the actually how he will start. So I have power here, so I am going to on. I give the 12 volt power supply here, so I am going to on. So you can see here, welcome to the IIATE, Institute of International Advanced Technology and Research Center. So you can see especially here, and DRam Security electric door opener system with password, and designed by DRam Security. So contact number, I make the contact number for my authorized claim. So after that, machine become to the standby mode. You can see here the please enter the key. While you going to type the key, you have key here. Okay, so once you're going to type key, actually I have here set already by program default password. So this default password will never be deleted or never be changed, because this is the factory password what I set inside the programming code, so you cannot change this password. So that is the what I make my password here. My password is 9475136. that's my mobile number. So I can easily remember this password if I forget or something, because the default password is the very important things. So I'm going to now put my default password. You can see when I press the button, you will see the some buzzer keypad sound also. Then you will see here star star star, supposed to be this is 9 4 7 5 1 3 6. You can see here 9475136. the password is the character hidden, so you'll see the star 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 only. So once I press the button, this is the enter button. So once I press the enter button, you will see here the screen, and buzzer status and the LED status. So you will see correct passport, door is open, and you have the LED on and your relay also on. After 7 seconds you will see please enter the passport, because my the timing for opening the door it's 7 seconds I make by my program. You can change as per as your like 5 seconds or 10 seconds, it's not the problem. So you can set it also by the programming code. So if I press again same passport, you can see here I will press again 9 4 7 5 1 3 6. Oh sorry, I make the wrong passport now. So if you can see what will happen now, I make the wrong passport here. Okay, so if I make the enter, or you can escape this passport, I will escape this passport, no problem, you can escape from here. See, so again I am going to press 9 4 7 5 1 3 6. This is the actual passport. So you can see here. So if I press the enter again, the enter button is here. Actually I didn't have any marking here, because this is, I will fix these things to the this complete circuit to one box, then I will make the top of the box the complete what is the key number and the numbering system. So I have the plan to make that one. So internal device I am showing also only. So now I am going to press the enter, and you will see here in the screen please enter the key. I press already the key, correct key. So now I am going to press, and you will see my relay is on. You can see the sound and the buzzer and plus light. So within 7 seconds after it will be off again. Door is open, correct passport, and you will see within 7 seconds a sound of solenoid, the relay. Okay, so after that your door will be again re-close automatically, so no need to close by you. So I am going to show the feature of this drawing again, the complete circuit. What is the other feature? So if you press the any passport, suppose if you press any key, so what will happen here? You can see if I press any key and I press the button of the enter. So I have this enter button. So if I press the enter button, you will see here message and the beep status. What kind of beep status and what will be happen here in the system. So you can see here. Okay, wrong passport, please try again. So he will give you the 4 time beep, and he is saying wrong passport and random passport. So you can see random bottom. So you can see here now. Again I will press. So wrong passport, please try again. So until he will get the correct passport, he will not allow to open the door, and he will say you try again and the wrong passport. So one more feature we have here, the passport changing, because you need to change your own secret passport. So how can you change your secret passport? I have over here the button. This is the passport changing button. So if you press this button here, the left side, right side, top right, so you can see when I press this button, current passport. He's asking you to current passport. So we will give our current passport. My current passport is 9475136. This is my current passport. So I'll make the enter here. I'll make again enter. So he will tell you set a new passport. Supposed to be I want to fix now one new passport. I will try to 1 2 3 4 5 6. Supposed to be I want to make 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 8 9. I will add 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So I make this one, and then I will make enter, and he will ask you one more again, because he want to verify the passport. So again I am going to press the button by sequentially 1 2 3 4. Sorry, I make the wrong passport button. So here is the some problem. So I'll go escape again, set new passport. So I'm going to change any other again number, different number, 1 2 3 4 5 6. I'm going to from here 1 2 3 5 6 5 4. So I make it like this, enter, and once more 1 2 3 6 5 4. So I press this one. So I'll make the again the enter button. So we'll see here in the screen what you will see the screen the passport change, and you will see the beep also. And please enter the key. Now your turn is to enter the new password, because if I press my default password 9475136, so he will not work. See, please try again. So I will press 9475136, my default password. So still you will see wrong password, and please try again. So I am going to type my correct password what I enter here the last time I changed. 123654. This is my recent password now what I changed. So this is my secret password. So if I press the enter, then you will see here, please correct password, door is open. So now my password is 123654. So if I press this one, then my door will open. 123654. If I otherwise, if I press any of wrong number by this sequence, like 1, door is still open. Okay, now we will see 1 2 3 1 2 3 6 5 4. Supposed to I by mistakenly press again 1. So you will see here I by mistakenly press 1, and I will see I press the enter. So you will see what will happen here. You will see in the screen, I will press wrong password, please try. So once you type any of mistake, any key, so he will not accept, and he will see you the password, wrong password, and try again. So this is the actually my new project, the second project. So I make this project for my personal uses. Somebody can use in their house, gate or something, some lock or system, some kind, any kind of security system. He can fix this board there, and he can. The main things, this board will operate by 5 volt DC only. So you can add here 9 volt battery or 12 volt battery, because I have here the 12 volt relay. So supposed to be you should have the 12 volt small battery for this board operation. And for your solenoid or coil, as per as your necessity, you can use any voltage, even though you have 220 or you have 24, or because this my relay is 12 volt DC operation, and this is approximately 5 ampere. So you can see this my connector this is actually dry connection for the relay. So this is dry pin, so you can connect any kind of power, AC or DC, either 1 to 220 volt. So it's not the issue. Whatever your output device is, the power requirement and the consumption, you can connect here power as per as that. So this is my second project. So I hope I will make again a new project in the next future days. So I hope you will get some information and some ideas, or so you can, if you like to make this kind of board, I can make for you. You can buy this kind of devices in the market. Complete, maybe it will more than 500 dirham, or it means it's like 7,000 to 10,000 sorry 10,000 to 15,000 rupees. So it's a very high expensive. So this is no high cost, but it will work up to longer, because this is my microprocessor. This again I make this at Mega, this 328p. I'm using always this microprocessor. So I hope because this microprocessor is very well and very good for programming. So this is my complete circuit, you can see here. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and thanks again.